Hey everyone, Carlo here. Welcome to today's episode. And as you can see in my hand, this is the Realme 7i, the latest smartphone of Realme available here in the Philippines. It will be launching 12 midnight tonight. I'm publishing this early evening and you can actually get it for 1,000 pesos off. So you should be able to buy it for around 10,990 from the SRP of 11,990 if you get it tonight. This one has a Snapdragon 662 processor. It has a 64 megapixel quad AI camera, a generous 5,000 mAh battery, 18 watts quick charge, and a 90 Hz ultra smooth display. But before we even talk about my thoughts about the phone and I share with you my review, I have to let you in on a special treat. Watch until the end of this video because I will share with you guys a way on how you can buy this phone for 1 peso. Okay ba? Let's go! Now, as you guys can see, it comes in this yellow Realme box. And like what Mary Bautista said in her unboxing video, when you see a yellow box for a smartphone, you kind of instantly think of Realme already. It's as if they own the color na. Mga dilawan. But anyway, so it says over there, 7i Realme. If you pop the box open, you have, wow, talagang may away, no? You have the usual packet that says, hey, welcome to the Realme family. You have the SIM ejector tool. You have the silicone jelly case, and of course, you have the charger, power brick, and of course, the USB to USB-C cable. Now, the phone is not in the box because as usual, I've already been playing with it, and this is the phone in my hand. Now, one of the most important things or the most striking things that I saw with the Realme 7i is how good it looked. Apparently, if you take a look at the back, there's the split between some sort of like glossy and matte finish, which they're calling like the ombre effect, which is to make it a little bit more stylish and nice looking. And actually super sakto because this is, I think, one of the first times that they ever got themselves an endorser. So if you have been checking out the Realme Facebook page, they signed up our OG YouTube star, Donalyn Bartolome. So she's now the official endorser of the Realme 7i smartphone. Now, based on my experience with the phone, it is a very capable device. And you have a lot of the elements to make it a really good everyday workhorse phone. You have the 662 Qualcomm Snapdragon processor. Basically means that most games that you will play will work fine, and that should be enough, of course, to power the 90 Hz refresh rate. You also have that 5,000 mAh battery, which means that you can go the distance with the phone, and if you lose, battery, you can quickly top it up with the 18 watts fast charging. And of course, one of the best features of the phone is the 64 camera setup here at the back, which allows for you to take amazing shots regardless if you're going to do ultra wide, if you're going to do portrait, if you're going to do like different types of shots, this should deliver. If there's one thing I learned about smartphones in 2020 is that the more affordable options, such as the Realme 7i, keep on getting better and better and better, which always makes you tend to question what's the point of buying smartphones for like 30 to 40 to sometimes even 50,000 pesos. You have a very capable device here with the Realme 7i. All the things that you would need are here, from the nice screen to the powerful processor for you to be able to play your games, for you to enjoy your social media, for you to satisfy your need to become a creator and express yourself via all the social medias with a nice camera, and again, the fast charging and the connectivity. It's a well-rounded, solid device. Again, for just 10,990 if you buy it tonight during the 1 hour, I think, flash sale of the Realme 7i launch. Now, some of you might still find 10,990 a little bit out of your price range, so I have a very special treat for all of you guys today. All you have to do, subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, follow Realme Philippines on Instagram, and then just leave a comment down below on what is your favorite feature of the Realme 7i. I will be drawing the winner in 7 days, and whoever wins can buy this phone for 1 peso. Yep, this phone that I just used for like a day or two, you can get for just 1 peso. So what are you guys waiting for? Hit that subscribe button, follow me on Instagram, follow Realme Philippines on Instagram. Give this video a thumbs up, share the video, and then leave a comment down below on what is your favorite feature. Leave your IG handle. 7 days from now. So it is, what day is it today? It is October 21. You know what? Isabay na natin dun sa isang raffle. We will draw the winner on October 27. So watch the video on October 27 and the name that gets drawn randomly will be able to get a chance to buy this phone for just 1 peso. And with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed our very quick vlog for today. Reminder lang guys, this will launch tonight. I'm posting this early evening. I think this should be up around 7 o'clock. So if you want one, make sure that you log in later at Lazada 12 midnight for the sale. One of the nicest but capable looking smartphones that you can buy today, the Realme 7i. Boom!